Hello, I'm Martin Anderson-Clutz, known in the Drupal community as ManClue, and today we're going to see a quick demo of the event platform. So what we have here is a fresh install of Drupal. I've added a couple of things like the GenAdmin theme and the admin toolbar, but basically this is a fresh install. What we're going to do now is go into our command line and install the event platform. And specifically, we're going to install an Olivero submodule that will place blocks in the intended regions within the Olivero theme. With that done, we can go back to our site. Now we can see there are some blocks placed for featured speakers and sponsors, but we also have this prompt here to provide event info. This is using a config page to store all of the camp information. So let's call this include Drupal Camp 2023. Let's say this is in Ontario, Canada, and maybe we'll start this just at the end of DrupalCon and running through the weekend. The only other part information is a call out for the header, and we'll see in a moment how that gets placed, but there's other optional information. Actually, we do also need the description. So let's just say description is here so that you can see exactly where that all gets placed. So that's all now been put into the top of the homepage in this block. We can continue to edit that very easily. Obviously, this prompt only shows for editors. And also it populates other blocks through the site. For example, this copyright block at the bottom of the page. From here, worth pointing out that it has also populated a variety of different taxonomies for us. So we've got an audience taxonomy. Go in here. We've also got some categories. We also have, let's go, some rooms. Obviously, these are all just defaults, and your camp will probably want to change these. The one that it can't populate automatically is for time slots, because it's really going to be dependent on when your camp is actually running. And so that's why there is, within our event details, this ability to manage time slots, or more specifically generate them. It will default to your camp dates, but maybe we say the last date is going to be just a sprint day. So we'll do it for just those 2 days. We can say what are the start times that for which we want to generate our time slots and for how long. And if you had done this before, weren't happy with the results, you can use this toggle to replace any existing time slots and really sort of start over. If we go ahead and generate that now, time slots have been generated. And so if we go in and look at slot taxonomy, see all those different time slots we had set for both the Friday and the Saturday. I've gone ahead now and used Devel to just generate some dummy sessions so that we have content to show, because the next thing that I want to show is another capability built into the event platform, which is a session scheduler. So we can see here that we have our list of sessions on the right. It's generated time slots, where now we can just drag and drop sessions to schedule them for times and different rooms. And it becomes a very intuitive drag and drop process. For now, it highlights when the actual presenter to try and make it more obvious. If you have sort of 2 sessions by the same presenter within the same time slot, but theoretically, we could also add validation to prevent scheduling 2 sessions by the same presenter in the same time slot. But that's definitely open to the community in terms of what additional features for the event platform would add some value. But this has been a quick demonstration to let everyone see some of the capabilities that are now built into the event platform.